Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will be delving deep into the SPY ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, October 26, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. We wouldn't want you to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 18, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a sell candidate with a score of -3.77. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. SPY experienced a loss of -4.10%. In other words, it averaged a daily loss of -0.59% since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The ETF has broken its narrow and falling short-term trend downwards. In the beginning, it may experience a stronger decline, but be cautious of false breaks and sudden sell-offs. However, it is realistic to expect further decline, and any rebounds back to the breaking point of $413.75 should be seen as a second chance to exit. According to the fan theory, $393.79 could become the new bottom line for the next trend, but it is still too early to say for certain. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a potential -6.36% change expected over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -6.08% and -1.55%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a 15.87% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return ranging between 15.87% and 33.09%. This translates to a projected price range of $478.02 to $549.08 after 1 year. Our latest update for the SPY ETF brings a headline. The SPY ETF price ended at $412.55 on Thursday, experiencing a loss of 1.2%. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, October 26, 2023, the SPY ETF price declined by 1.2%, dropping from $417.55 to $412.55. Throughout the day, the ETF's price fluctuated by 1.38%, moving between a low of $411.63 and a high of $417.33. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 8 instances, resulting in a total decline of 4.88%. Interestingly, despite a rise in trading volume by 27 million shares on the last day, the prices continued to drop. This could potentially indicate an early warning sign, with a slight increase in risk expected in the coming days. In total, approximately $47.30 billion worth of SPY ETF shares were bought and sold, amounting to 115 million shares. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $459.44, while the lowest price was $368.79. At present, the price stands at $412.55, which is 10.21% or $46.89 below the 52-week high. Moreover, it is 14.05% or $67.43 below the all-time high, which was reached on January 4, 2022, with a value of $479.98. In this video, we'll discuss the signals that have been identified for SPY. First, let's talk about the buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there are also some negative signals that may have an impact on the stock's near short-term development. The SPY ETF currently has sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On the upside, we can expect some resistance from the lines at $421.72 and $432.21. If the stock breaks above any of these levels, it will issue buy signals. On Wednesday, October 11, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 5.45% decline so far. It is likely to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning. So, it's important to keep a close eye on the ETF. Now, let's talk about a significant event in the ETF's long-term chart. On Monday, March 27, 2023, the SPY ETF had a golden star signal. This rare combination occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line meet in a special way. It is often followed by long and strong gains for the ETF. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 32 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 28 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 27 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 19 days ago. If you want to find more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for SPY. Let's start with support. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that the ETF may face challenges and potentially perform poorly in the next couple of days. It's important to be aware of this potential downside. Moving on to risk, the SPY ETF generally experiences controlled movements and has good liquidity. This indicates that the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. This can be reassuring for investors. Now, let's talk about the ETF's recent volatility. In the last day, the ETF had a price range of $5.69, or 1.38% between its high and low points. Over the past week, the daily average volatility has been around 1.28%. These figures give us an idea of the ETF's recent price fluctuations. Let's dive into some key day trading levels for SPY. If the market is on an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $421.19 for SPY. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. For those who are already invested in the stock, this level could be an opportunity for swing trading. It's important to note that there is no significant support from accumulated volume below the current price. This means that under certain conditions, the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline. It's crucial to exercise caution and make trades only if you have experience navigating such situations. We regret to inform you that our evaluation of this ETF is negative, and we have not set a stop-loss. Is SPY ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, SPY ETF currently holds several negative signals and is within a narrow and falling trend. Therefore, we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. As a result, our evaluation of this ETF is negative. When analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price of SPY ETF is undervalued. Looking at trading expectations for Friday, October 27th, we predict that SPY ETF will open up at $1.28 and start trading at $413.84. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading involves a high risk of losing money. To make informed investment decisions, it's advisable to consult a financial advisor. Let's dive into the content, but please keep in mind that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please comment below and share your opinions. And what's your target for the ETF? Let us know. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe for more. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.